So guys, in this video I will show you top 3 new modern graphic design looks that you can use on your designs to make it more modernized and amplify. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into our new video. So guys, first of all I open up Photoshop, and for our first design I will choose this nice digital art photo. Okay, then I will just simply drag and place it to the top, something like that. And then what I'm gonna do is just simply I will just cut side of this picture, something like that. Okay, then I will again just simply place it to the left side, and I will just add a new text. Let's type experiment for this design, and the font I'm gonna choose is, maybe let's find out which font looks more good. Maybe some modern font will look really better on this digital art design. Okay, that's look really good. Let's select this one. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply increase the size of this text, something like that. Okay, and then I will just duplicate this layer. Okay, duplicate this layer, and I will just simply increase the size of this layer, make a new, what it's called, make a clipping mask. Then I will simply merge this text and the picture, and then I will do select this area, cut other side, and just simply place a black, and something like that. Okay, then I will just simply again move this picture to the left side, so it looks more aligned horizontally. Okay guys, after that I will just simply change the white tone to more grayish, like that. Also I will change this text color. After doing all this thing, I will simply create a new linear dodge, empty layer, select one of these colors, and I will make a nice glow out there. And I will simply decrease the opacity or fill. And guys, that's our first design. You can use on any kind of poster so that it is look more modern and aesthetic, you can say. So guys, let's jump into our second design. So guys, for our second design I will choose this portrait. Okay, I will simply drag and place this portrait. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply remove the background of this image, the red background. Still moving. Okay, alright, after doing that I will just simply place it to like the bottom, and just simply decrease the size. Then I will just create a new layer beside this image. I will choose a new ellipse tool, create a new nice rectangular shape, place a red color or whatever color you want. Okay, like that. Then again I will just simply increase the size, maybe. Yeah, like that. And guys, I will just simply decrease the size of this eclipse layer. After that, I will simply duplicate again this layer, multiply it, create a new mask to cut this middle area like that. Then again duplicate this layer. Alright, so that it's look more 3D. Just maybe it's move it to the top side. Then I will create a new layer above this image. Then click on linear dodge, and I will simply paint some nice linear dodge highlights. Okay, I will just decrease the size, I mean the opacity. Alright, that's it. Then I will just simply again duplicate this layer, make it black and white. That's it. And to the bottom layer, I will just again click on black and white. Then I'll just move it right there. I'll click on overlay, something like that. I'll click on this circle, make it a nice, let's make a group. Then I'll just make a nice, what it's called, mask. Okay, and then I'll simply smaller this layer. Alright, that's it. Then I will just again select all of these things, these materials, and I will just simply make it more aligned to the middle. And guys, that's it. That's our second nice design that you can use on your getting your own profile picture design or a nice story or whatever. So that's on second design. Let's move into our third one. So guys, for our third and final last design, I will choose this nice cinematic photo that I found on Pinterest. Then I will simply make it more smaller like that. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply create a new layer, select a rectangle tool, and I will just simply create new lines like that, some random lines you can say. Then I will align it to the middle. Then I'll just simply larger the image, make all of these shapes a group. Then I will just create a new clipping mask. Okay, something like that. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply duplicate again this layer, make it to the bottom of all of this layer, then make it black and white, make it rasterize, transform, and then I will just simply increase the size of this layer. Okay, and I'll just again make it more, what it's called, I'll just simply decrease the fill like that. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is just simply create a new curves adjustment layer and just follow my curves. Okay, something like that. Then I will again create a new labels, make it more darker. Okay, after that I will just merge all of these things, then just change the blending mode to maybe multiply. Okay, and decrease the fill, create a new layer, select a nice color from this image, make it overlay, duplicate this, again duplicate this. Then what I'm gonna do is just simply create a new layer, linear dodge. Again I will just add nice glows to the rectangular shapes, something like that. Okay, and I'll just simply merge all of these things, create a blending mode. I will add a new inner shadow. Okay, just increase the distance, size, something like that. Okay, here we go. Now create a new group. I will just simply remove side of this layer. Okay, and then again I will create a new layer, linear dodge, and at night close to the top, left, right, bottom side, and I will just change the blending mode to color dodge. Then you can add a new text to this image if you want. Okay, then I will create a new last layer, add a text, word warning. I'll just change the color. Okay, this color looks perfect, and I'll just select a nice font. Let's find out which font suit there. Let's see. Okay guys, this font looks really good. Just place it right there. Okay, after that I will select all of this layer, I will just change the position of this text maybe, then I'll just duplicate this group, add some noise. And guys, boom, here we go. That's the last and third final image. Just look how aesthetic it's looking. You can use on your any kind of note, Pinterest or Instagram post or story or whatever you want. So guys, that's for today. If you find any of the designs helpful, you can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like and comment button, and see you in the another video. Till then, take care, goodbye.